Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we discuss about the graphical representation of motion. In this chapter, we will now discuss the various type of graph. Various type of graph like here we calculate the acceleration, okay, acceleration. Now distance and speed and velocity also, here we discuss about the we find the acceleration, distance, speed and velocity with the help of graph, okay, with the help of graph. Okay, now we talk about this topic. Now what the first, here we take the first graph is distance time graph, distance time graph. Okay, what the distance time graph? In this graph we find the speed. In this graph we with the help of this graph we find the speed of any car, any object or any body. Okay, we know that already. So first of all we study about the before study about the distance time graph, we take something here. Now what is the axis? Here? That is the x-axis, that is the minus x-axis, that is the y-axis, that is the minus y-axis, that is the origin O. Okay, means OX is the plus positive value, O minus x is equal to negative value, OY is the positive, that is the positive, that is the positive, that is the negative, that is the negative value. Okay, so we start here graph, distance time graph. Distance time graph means distance time graph. Okay, what the distance time graph here? Distance time graph, we put the value. Okay, we put the value here. Distance time graph, the distance time graph of a body moving at a uniform speed. When object at a uniform speed, uniform speed, not non-uniform speed, uniform speed. Okay, you know what is the uniform speed? Uniform speed is means travel equal distance in equal time interval. What is the uniform speed? Is equal distance in equal time interval. So how we draw the graph here? First one is that's graph is distance time graph. That is the x, that is the y. So here that is the time and that is the distance, that the point, the origin. So in the distance time graph of a body moving at uniform speed, not uniform. What is the uniform speed? Equal distance in equal time interval. So we always got a straight line. That is the point A. Okay, we meet here. So, like dotted line, that is the point that is the A, B, that is the point C. Okay, that is the point C. The slope of distance time graph indicate speed. That slope OA indicate the speed. We already know speed is equal to distance upon time. Distance upon time. So we can write here what is the distance OA and what is the time? OB. Sorry, that is not OA. Okay, what the speed here? Speed is equal to distance upon time. So what the distance? AB. And what the time? OB. Okay, so that is the distance time graph we find the speed of any moving object with which are moved with uniform speed. Okay, now we start the what the graph between distance and time when speed is non-uniform. When speed is non-uniform, you know what is the non-uniform speed? What is the non-uniform speed? You know, in the definition we already told you, I told you, non-uniform speed means unequal distance in equal time interval. It's called non-uniform speed. Okay, non-uniform speed. Now we plot the graph between time and distance. We got always the speed of body. If the speed of body is non uniform, then the graph between distance traveled and time is a curved line. Always we got a curved line like this. That is the non uniform speed. Non uniform speed. That is the non uniform speed. Means we always, when the speed of any object is non uniform, then we got the parabola. That is the curved line is also called parabola. Okay, now we start next. What the next is the graph between speed and time. Graph between speed and time. What the next is? Graph between speed and time. Okay, speed and time. Speed means speed and time graph. Speed and time graph. Okay, speed and time graph. Now we discuss about the speed of time graphs. So we have three types of graph here. First one is we discuss here first type of graph. What is the first type graph? Is when a speed of body remain constant. Speed is constant. So in the first condition we plot the graph when speed of a body is constant. Okay, now we plot the graph when speed is constant. Now speed time graph, when the speed remain constant, we got a parallel line. Now we draw here. That is the x-axis, that is the y-axis, that is the origin. Okay, if speed is constant, that is the time, that is the speed. If speed is constant, we got a constant line, means straight line which are parallel to the x-axis. That is the graph between speed and time. That is the resultant, means constant speed. What the show here? Constant speed. So we got here constant speed. Okay, that is the constant speed. Okay, that is the constant speed. Now match here like this. That is the point B, that is the point A, that is the point C. Okay, that is the point C. So what the speed at point C? What the speed at point C? Graphically method. Speed at point C is equal to, at point C speed is BC is also equal to OA, and what the time at C? What the time C? OC. So we got the distance traveled by object is OA multiply by OC. OA multiply by OC. Okay. OA multiply by OC. So, what the distance D is equal to OA multiply by OC. So, we can write here distance is equal to area of rectangle OABC, that is the equal to the area of rectangle OABC, like this. That is the graph, that is the O, that is the A, that is the B, that is the C. Here distance is equal to OA multiply by OC. So we can write here what the OABC area of OABC, that is the distance travel, area of rectangle equal to the distance travel by the object, Let we got the example. If a car travel the constant speed 20 km per hour, 20 km per hour, find the distance in first hour, in by the graphical method. So put the here, that is the constant speed 20 km, we have put that is the 1, that is the 2, that is the 3. So that is the 3. So, and that is the 10, that is the 20. That is the straight line in first hour. Find the distance traveled by the car in first hour. That is the graph. What is the means rectangle of OA OABC. Area of OABC is equal to 20 into 1. Okay. When in 3 hours, that is the means 20 into 3. That is the area of rectangle is equal to the distance traveled by the object. Okay. Now we discuss about in next video. We start the next video and we discuss about the speed time graph when the non-uniform speed means uniform acceleration, and also we study about the non-uniform acceleration. Okay. If you like this video, then you share in the all students. Thanks.